TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern time on Happy Halloween to everybody out there, and we have quite a market to the upside so far. S&P's up 40 points, trading at 2725. You get the Dow up 331, trading at 25,206, and the Nasdaq leading the way up 171 points, trading at 73.33. We got some action in gold, got some action in oil as well. On a percentage basis, you're looking at the Nasdaq up 2.4% now, S&P's up 1.4, and Dow up 1.3. Putting things in perspective a bit, coming into today for the month of October, you had the Dow off about 6% for the month, you had the S&P off about 8%, and you had the Nasdaq off about 11%. So big numbers to the upside today. Still going to be a rough October, regardless of how things shake out. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, take a look at some of the futures markets. We'll start it off with the Dow. Lows of the session made about an hour ago, right at noon, of 25,064. We're now about 100 points higher, trading at 25,164 in the Dow. NASDAQ 100, similar story. Lows at about noon Eastern time of 69.34. Now about 65 points, trading exactly at 7,000 in the NASDAQ 100. S&P is trading higher over the last hour as well. We were down there at 27.08. S&P is trading about 17 points above that level, now approaching the highs that we made at about 10:30, only a few points away from that level. Crude oil bouncing around a bit. We got EIA numbers at 10:30 a.m. this morning. We were trading just under $66 when we got those numbers. We saw a spike higher to 66.66, backing off a bit to 66.16. To bring up those numbers for a moment, there is your EIA crude oil inventory numbers at 10:30. Pretty much exactly what the median estimate was. A build of 3.2 million barrels, estimate a build of 3.2 million barrels. As far as gasoline, you saw a draw of 3.1, estimate was a draw of 2.2. Back to the charts. There's your oil market. Gold with volatility as well. Backing things up to yesterday. We were in the 1230s yesterday in gold. Far cry from that now. Spiked to a low of 1213. You got gold trading at 1216.72, and wrapping it up with Bitcoin. Currently trading at 6318. Pretty tame overnight for Bitcoin. And then you get those occasional spikes, whether lower to a low of 62.10 to a high of 63.62. Stay tuned. We got our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now. Trader's Edge. Dave White with the Power Trading Hour live at 2 o'clock, and Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 5. Stay tuned, folks. Have a great Wednesday.